In front of me is Samsung Galaxy S25 FE, and today I would like to show you how you can set up face recognition. If you want to set up face unlock, quick disclaimer, because I tested it on this and many other Samsung devices, you won't be able to set it up if you don't have screen lock. It won't even let you add face recognition, so you need to set up screen lock first and then go into settings to continue. Scroll and tap on Security and Privacy section. Now click on Lock Screen here and enter your current login method. Following that, you can tap on Face Recognition, tap on Continue, and hit Register. Then keep your face in frame and follow all of the instructions from your screen. When you're ready, operate all of those options however you want to, but make sure this switcher next to Face Unlock is blue. This way you'll be able to unlock your device using face recognition. So finally, when I switch off my screen and turn it back on, I can see that face unlock is working properly. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!